What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video today I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually create raving fans in your business. Now if you have raving fans in your business, that means those fans can actually turn into sales. So in this video I'm going to be going through a few different things that you can actually do starting today to create instant raving fans, and raving fans turns into cash. Starting right now. Hey, if by chance this is your first time stumbling upon my video, my name is John and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I actually take newbies and people that are frustrated, that never make money online, and I show them simple, easy ways to start turning their laptop and their internet connection into cold, hard cash. So if that's your desire, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and click the notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, like I said, guys, in this video today, we're going to be showing you how you can actually start generating raving fans in your business almost instantly, and how you can actually get more sales with your affiliate marketing business. Let's go ahead and jump over to the laptop. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and we're going to jump right into this video. So we're going to be talking about how do you actually create raving fans instantly. Guys, this is an important video. The majority of you guys may click on this video and you may watch like a minute of it and you're going to miss the boat, because this will definitely separate those that generate consistent income every day online from those that don't generate any income at all or have inconsistent income. And the way you actually create raving fans, most online gurus are going to tell you to give value, give value, give value, and that's correct. But how do you actually give value if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, and you're just learning yourself? And in this video, this is what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually increase your skill set, because your skill set, the things that you know up here, is actually going to give you the ability to give value to the marketplace, which is going to thus create the raving fans, which is going to generate money in your pocket, right? So how do you increase your skill set? What you're going to have to do, guys, if you're starting out and you don't know a lot about affiliate marketing or online business, there's a site here called udemy.com or udemy.com, right? This is a site that has hundreds of online courses on about every subject matter that you could possibly want to learn about affiliate marketing, online marketing, internet marketing, right? So if I click over here, I hover over categories, I can actually go down to marketing, and then I can go over to like search engine optimization and look at the different topics that I have. So I could learn about SEO, I could learn about WordPress, I could learn about local SEO, I could get a course on keyword research, on Google Ads, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, link building. Let's go over to digital marketing. I can learn, again, Google Ads course, Facebook marketing courses, social media courses, chat box, email marketing. Let's go down to affiliate marketing. What do we have here? Courses on ClickBank, courses on Teespring, courses on CPA marketing. So for instance, if I wanted to learn, or I wanted to give some value to my marketplace, and I wanted to show them how to do CPA marketing, like I wanted to teach CPA marketing, I could go here and I could click on CPA marketing courses, and then these courses are going to come up, and you're going to see a plethora of courses that you can actually purchase. Now, a lot of these courses are very inexpensive. I think they're actually running a special now for 8 days. Everything is like $9.99. So, but essentially you can go in here and you can look at the different CPA courses that they have, and you can look at the ratings, you can look at how many people have bought it, you can actually look at the reviews as well, and it'll tell you. So this first CPA course is Home Business, the complete CPA marketing course. It has 42 lectures in it, 6 hours worth of content, and I can click on this and I can probably learn a lot more information about it. And it just gives you more detailed description of what the course is actually about. And again, it probably has some reviews down here. It tells you about the instructor, and of course you have reviews here. So now, here's the course outline right here. So if I wanted to give value in my marketplace, and CPA marketing is something that, affiliate marketers want to learn about, internet marketers want to learn about, I could come to this site and I could purchase a course on CPA marketing. And it actually gives you the breakdown of the different topics. So I could actually go through each topic. I could watch the video. I could learn about what they're doing with the CPA marketing, setting up the campaign, picking offers, whatever the case may be. How do you actually start doing CPA marketing? And I could create a YouTube channel. I could create a blog, and I could start breaking down these bite-sized videos and showing people how to start generating income online with CPA marketing. How do you create a campaign? Most people don't know how to do it from scratch. So if you actually bought this $10 course or two of these $10 courses to try to get as much information as you could actually go through the videos literally one by one. You could watch a video and you could create a video. Watch another video, create another video. You could create a whole series of videos on YouTube. You could create one big video on YouTube showing people how to quickly set up a CPA campaign. You could do this with your blog. You could do this in a product. You could actually just learn this information and create a little mini course as a giveaway, a lead magnet, or for like a cheap product to get people into your sales funnel. There's so much that you can do, but you just have to take the time to learn this information for yourself, and then you can give that value. But in order to give value in the marketplace, you have to increase your skill set. And if you don't know these different topics, if you don't know how to do Facebook marketing or Bing ads or YouTube marketing, you can come here to this site and learn how to do it. So look at all of these courses here on YouTube marketing. There's tons of courses here, and you could be literally watching the videos and creating content for your YouTube channel. You could just do a plain screencast video. You don't even have to show your face, and start creating content of what you're learning in these courses. These courses are really cheap. You could probably buy like, 5 of these courses. One on CPA marketing, one on YouTube marketing, one on Facebook marketing, one on Bing ads. And then you start compiling all that information, and you have so much content to give to your marketplace. And guys, as you're giving out all that content, all that value, people are going to find your content. They're going to love your content. They're going to learn from your content, and they're going to become instant raving fans because you're going the extra mile. Most marketers don't do this. Most marketers don't go the extra mile and teach and train. And that's why you see the same people making all the money in affiliate marketing. You see these top players, and the way they're always making their money is because they're out giving value. And the way they give value is they've increased their skill set and their knowledge, and they do it every single day. These guys that are making money hand over fist are constantly buying courses, are constantly reading, are constantly going to masterminds, are constantly getting mentored and coached. You guys think that we're not spending money. We're spending money on our education too. So if we're doing it, you definitely need to do it. And you can actually start your own tribe and start your own following and have those instant fans that you can actually call your own and grow with you as you're learning all of this stuff yourself. The second thing I want to show you guys is in JVZoo. So JVZoo is basically another affiliate network that has a lot of softwares. And this is cool because there's always things that in your affiliate marketing business that you want to automate and make easier. So what I did a little while ago was I looked at a product because in my marketplace, I listen, right? So a lot of people want to do YouTube marketing, but they don't want to show their face. So I took that information, all the comments and the emails and everything I get, and I came over here to JVZoo, and I actually found a product called Video Maker FX, right? So they could actually use this Video Maker FX to actually create videos. And what this software allows you to do is you don't have to show your face. You can actually just use the animated characters that they have. You can make these people say anything that you want. You can do voiceovers. You can add music. They have the whiteboard videos. And basically, I created a video. I listened to my audience, and they said, hey, I want to learn how to, create videos without showing my face. I went out and I found this software, and I actually purchased the software. and I created a video around this software on my YouTube channel. And I said, okay, this is how you make money without showing your face, by using this software and creating videos. And subsequently, I ended up generating a lot of sales for this particular product because I solved a problem in my marketplace. This was a burning problem, something that people had issues with, and I ended up solving that problem for a number of people because they didn't even know this product existed. So again, guys, you have to take some time out to do some digging. Showing products and software is a great way to actually make sales because people are more apt to buy something if they already see how it works. So people already don't want to make videos, but if I can show them a way they can create simple little videos that can still be effective, then they're like, oh, that software is pretty cool. I don't have to show my face. I can add my voice if I want to. I can add music. I can do this. I can do that. All these cool PowerPoint slides. I'm going to buy that software. And it's a good, affordable, one-time price. So that's another reason I picked this product. And I was able to, again, generate a lot of sales. So guys, the point of the video, of what I'm really trying to get to you guys, if you really want to increase the amount of sales that you're making in your online business, is you have to first increase your skill set. And if you increase your skill set, you can actually take what you've learned and then you can actually put that information out on the internet, which is going to attract people to you, which is going to create instant raving fans, which will result in money in your pocket. So you can do that by creating videos on YouTube, which I suggest. You can do that through a blog. You can actually do that through creating maybe a membership site where you're teaching people how to do certain things, and you can give that away as a lead magnet or even sell it as like a tripwire product for really cheap to get people into your funnel and then try to upsell them on higher level products later on. So there's a number of ways that you can do this, but the point is you have to take the time to invest in yourself and invest in your skill set so that you can create these instant raving fans. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that made sense to you. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want to learn how I generate income online with my affiliate marketing business, you can check the link in the description below. And that opportunity will show you how you can actually start an affiliate marketing business, learn all these different skill sets that you need to learn, as well as generate a nice income. So this is John from johnmcneil.com, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.